Hi guys, welcome to my channel. This is a potato. This is celery. Today I will use these two ingredients to make a dish. Now, please let me demonstrate how to cook it. First, we remove all the leaves from the celery. Then we pull out the fibers from the celery starting from the root. Next, we cut the celery into strips diagonally along the root. We put the cut celery into water to wash and blanch it. Peel the potato and grate it into shreds with a tool. Similarly, you can also cut it into slices first and then into shreds. We add the potato shreds to clear water to wash away the starch from them. We need to change the water and wash it several times. The water will be clouded at first, but it will become clear after several washes. I washed it 3 times this time. We fish out the blanched celery and cut some shredded scallions. Next, we turn on the power and pour the edible oil. First, coat the pot with oil by swirling it around. When the temperature rises, we add the chopped scallions. After frying to bring out the fragrance of the scallions, we add the celery. Celery doesn't need to be stir-fried for too long, as we are already blanched before. Then we add the sliced potatoes. Keep stir-frying until fully cooked. Now let's start seasoning. 1 gram of salt, 0.5 grams of monosodium glutamate. Finally, add a spoonful of white vinegar. This spoonful of white vinegar is very important and must be added. After continuous stir-frying, the dish is done. Okay, let me taste it. Okay, this dish is ready. We add a little bit white vinegar can make this dish more delicious. You can try it. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye.